Hey guys, it's Kylie. I've decided to go to karaoke. I don't know if I'm going to be brave enough to sing, but I'm going to go listen to other people sing even if I don't sing. So I just wanted to show you my outfit. I don't really know if it makes sense because I wanted to wear something that was like not just a t-shirt. So I'm wearing this like sweater shirt thing, but like it's too big if I don't like tuck it into a pocket. So I don't even know if that's like cute like that, but so I'm wearing this, and then I got my little cowhide boots, and I guess I'm going to karaoke. I don't know if I'll sing, but I'm at least making an effort to get out of the house. People that have never experienced grief and loss of like a child or someone significant in their life may not quite understand. It's very hard for me to sit in this house because my son's room was right there, and he'd be like 9 months old right now. So I am struggling really bad right now. There are times where my husband has to literally say, hey, I need you to eat. And that's just grief. It's just grief, and that's unfortunately sometimes how grief is. So I'm forcing myself out the door to just breathe. And that's okay. I want you to know, whatever you're going through, whatever you're dealing with, sometimes you just have to get out of the house and breathe, okay? I love you, and we're gonna get through this, okay? Bye.